Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. Today we're going to make a slow cooked ranch chicken and potatoes. This is so easy, so delicious. You kind of set it and forget it until you're ready to eat. I'm telling you, this is fabulous. You are going to have this on repeat all winter long. So without further ado, let's get started.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold